Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change your status message on Gmail using your Android device. If you need to update or change your status message on Gmail, it's a quick and easy process that we'll guide you through in this video. Step 1. First, open your device's Settings app and tap on Google. This will take you to your Google account settings. Step 2. Next, tap on Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. At the top of the screen, tap Personal Info to access your personal information settings. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Status Message and tap on it. Step 5. Here, you'll see your current status message. Tap on the pencil icon next to it to edit it. Step 6. Change your status message to the desired message and tap Save. And that's it. Your Gmail account will now display your updated status message. Note that it may take some time for the changes to be reflected in all areas of your account. Changing your status message on Gmail can be helpful for personal or professional reasons. For example, if you're going on vacation, you can set your status message to let people know you're away. Or, if you're busy and unable to reply to emails immediately, you can set your status message to reflect that. It's important to keep your status message up to date to ensure that your contacts know what you're up to, or if you're unavailable. It's also a good idea to keep your personal information up to date to ensure that you're getting the most out of your Gmail account. Remember that your status message is an optional piece of personal information, and you should always make sure it's appropriate and respectful. In addition, updating your status message on Gmail can also help with account security and verification. By keeping your personal information up to date, you can ensure that your account is secure and that you can recover your account if necessary. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in changing your status message on your Gmail account using your Android device.